Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make tuna avocado salad. This recipe is so delicious, very healthy and refreshing, and it's the perfect salad for summer. So let's get started. Alright you guys, so I have my salad bowl here. We're going to start by tossing in 12 ounces of drained canned tuna. Next, I have some fresh vegetables here. We're going to chop all these up and add them together with the tuna. We're using a whole English cucumber. We're also using half of this red onion, 3 medium-sized avocados, and a whole lot of cilantro. So first, I'm going to chop up my English cucumber into bite-sized pieces and add that together with the tuna. This English cucumber is great for salads because it has less seeds compared to the other kind. Next up is to chop up this red onion. This is a large red onion. We're only using half. You can mince this or slice it very thinly. Go ahead and toss that into your bowl. And now we're going to cut up the avocado. I showed how to cut up an avocado in my other salad recipe. I'll leave a link in the description box if you want to check it out. Toss the avocados into your pan, and last we're going to chop up the cilantro. I'm only using about 3 tablespoons. Once you have all the vegetables in the bowl, you're going to add a tablespoon of olive oil as well as the juice of a whole lemon. And if any of the seeds get in there, make sure you take them out. Last, you're going to season with salt and pepper to your taste, then toss everything together. Once everything is very well incorporated, you are all done. This tuna avocado salad is so easy to make. It has such a fresh flavor, very healthy and delicious. It's so good. It has such a fresh flavor. Some people add mayonnaise to this recipe, but you seriously don't need it because you get a lot of creaminess from the avocados. You guys will love this. And the tuna makes it so good. I like to enjoy this with garlic bread or toasted baguette. It's so good. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you soon. Bye.